I want to show the good people how I'm trying to get back after this fourth baby. You gave me a run for my money, bro. You gave me a run for my money. You did. Come to the gym with a plan. That's the first thing, right? It's gonna be leg day for me. Leg day is gonna consist of pretty much the posterior chain I'm working on today, and probably some quads as well. Love to work with resistance bands, like these bad boys right here. So it's really good for toning, giving you a little resistance while you're doing some weight training. Also, favorite of mine, some cables that I'll put on the ankle like that, do some kickbacks, works on the booty, you know? And I'll probably do a little warm up today with the jump rope because it will work the arms, total body kind of. Maybe I'll do 500 of these to warm up, and yes, that's the warm up. We got some kettlebells here, which are good for like really, really deep squats when I go down like this. And oh, can't forget these bad boys right here. Never leave home without them. I be at home with them. Another gym essential, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. Arm & Hammer FitRight Fresh Start has you covered. Quick funny story. I was at the gym when I was on spring break with the kids and getting a leg day workout in, kind of like what I do here, but I was doing heavyweight because I was in the actual gym. So I'm on the leg press machine, loaded up with, I think it was about 340. So I'm feeling good. I'm like, this is my last set, best set. I'm gonna do my heaviest weight, 5 reps. Open off the machine, the weight is coming down towards me, and as I push the weight back up, the pee is coming down. I peed myself a little bit. So after having 4 children, I've noticed that progressively after each child, bladder incontinence is a bit of a struggle for me. Bladder's a little bit weaker. I've found that even when I'm trying to hold my urine sometimes, it fails me. And I know that there's a little bit of a mystique around the discussion with bladder incontinence because some people think that it only happens when you get older, or you know, it's something that is avoidable. Sometimes it's not, and it can be in your postpartum journey, it can be after a surgery. There's so many things that can impact a woman's bladder continence over the course of her life.
Click my link to shop FitRight Fresh Start on Amazon. 20% off all products will be applied at checkout.
Back to the workout, because y'all not gonna distract me from getting it in. I normally give myself a minute after jumping rope and warming up, so we've been here long enough. Back to the workout. You see, babies have a way of rolling in when they know you need more of a minute rest. I typically only do a minute rest in between because you want to stay as active as possible to keep your heart rate up. It's almost like a cardio and a weightlifting session in one. So you're burning more calories, burning more fat, building muscle when you don't have too much downtime in between your sets. So that's a tip for you. That's a case tip for you. Tell me what more you want to see, all right? If it's going to be more workouts, anything specific you want me to demonstrate for y'all, show y'all. Again, told y'all I'm no expert, but I'm going to bring the vibes.